How to create games using Websim AI. In order to do that, just head over to websim.ai and then sign up your account. Now, once you have signed up, just like me, you can click on this URL or search bar right here, and then you can see in here that they use Sonnet 3.5, but you can also choose or get some things or legacy models or OpenAI for this case. So for example, for this, let's head over and then creating here a game. So let's create a snake and ladder scheme. So just head over and then send it to them. And then in just a few seconds, it will create us our snake and ladder scheme. So you can just head over and then wait for this to finish the loading process, and then you should be able to see this right here. Now this will load, and as you can see, it only takes us around 10 seconds or less in order to successfully create this AI. I didn't pause or anything, it actually created this. So head over and click on this right here in order to play that game. And then you can actually invite someone to play it with you as well. So that's how you create games using Websim AI. Hope we helped.